How do you optimize AWS RDS for high traffic performance? Imagine your website or app suddenly gets a surge of visitors. Your database needs to keep up without slowing down or crashing. That's where optimizing Amazon Web Services' relational database service comes into play. Let's walk through how to make your database ready for high traffic. First, start with choosing the right instance type. Amazon RDS offers different families like general purpose, memory optimized, and compute optimized. For high traffic, pick an instance with enough CPU and memory to handle your workload. For example, if you expect heavy read and write operations, consider a memory-optimized instance with more RAM and faster processors. Keep an eye on metrics like CPU utilization, memory usage, and disk input-output operations per second. If these metrics are high, it's time to upgrade or switch to a more capable instance. Next, focus on storage. Use general-purpose solid-state drive storage for most workloads, but if your application is write-heavy or needs consistent performance, provisioned input-output operations per second storage is better. This type guarantees a set number of IOPS, which helps prevent slowdowns during traffic spikes. Check your read and write input-output operations per second, as well as latency metrics. If latency increases or IOPS are maxed out, it's a sign to upgrade your storage. Database tuning is also key. For MySQL databases, adjust parameters like in nodebuffer pool size, which controls how much memory is used for caching data. For PostgreSQL, tune shared buffers and workmem. These settings help your database handle more queries smoothly by making better use of available memory. Proper tuning can significantly reduce query response times during traffic peaks. Monitoring tools like AWS Performance Insights are essential. They help you see which queries are slow or consuming too many resources. Use this data to optimize or rewrite inefficient queries. Regularly review your database schema and indexes. Proper indexes speed up data retrieval, especially when traffic increases. Enable enhanced monitoring to get real-time data on CPU, memory, and disk activity. Set up CloudWatch alarms to alert you if performance metrics go beyond safe limits. This way, you can respond quickly before issues affect your users. AWS Trusted Advisor offers recommendations for performance improvements and cost savings, so use it regularly. For high availability and scalability, consider multi-availability zone deployments. This setup automatically switches to a standby replica if the primary fails, keeping your service online. Use red replicas to offload read traffic from the main database. This spreads the load and improves response times. If you want even more scalability, look into Amazon Aurora with auto-scaling. It automatically adjusts the number of red replicas based on demand. If your workload varies a lot, Amazon Aurora Serverless can be a good choice. It automatically scales capacity up or down depending on traffic, saving costs and maintaining performance during busy times. Remember to clean up old snapshots and backups regularly. Removing unnecessary backups frees up storage and reduces costs. Automate snapshot management to keep things simple. Finally, for predictable workloads, reserved instances can save you money. They offer discounts compared to on-demand prices, especially if you plan to run your database long-term. Combining all these practices, selecting the right instance, tuning parameters, monitoring, and scaling, helps your Amazon RDS database stay fast and reliable even during high traffic periods.